Samsung is having difficulties with its Galaxy Buds 3 Pro and has already suspended pre-sales in South Korea. We don't know if this same decision will be made for the rest of the world or what exactly is happening, because it seems that users in South Korea are the ones complaining about some quality control issues with these Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. And that's why Samsung has made this decision. A report from Sam Mobile indicates that users have complained about some defects with gaps in the earbuds. In other cases, it is said that the finish is defective. Others point out that the lights integrated into these earbuds are shining differently on one side compared to the other, and others mention that the silicone tips are tearing when trying to exchange them. So, there are several complaints being received, and Samsung has made this decision. Through the official forum, Samsung has stated the following: "We sincerely thank our customers for responding to the pre-sale of the Galaxy Buds 3 series that lasted until July 18th. We deeply apologize for any quality issues with some of the products you purchased during this pre-sale period. If you feel uncomfortable with your purchase, visit the nearest service center and you will receive appropriate measures such as exchanges, refunds, etc. We will do everything possible to thoroughly check all processes before the official national launch on the 24th to prevent similar issues from happening again." So, it seems that in South Korea, Samsung is a bit more considerate of its users. Let's hope that in the rest of the world, if the same type of defects occur, Samsung will take the same approach and not adopt an attitude of, well, you bought it, you keep it.